how to create a weekly schedule template in Google Sheets. Hey everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a ready-to-use weekly schedule template for Google Sheets so that you can, recreate it easily. So we can start by going ahead and opening up your Google Sheet workspace like this, and we can start by creating a header. I already created one, but this is how you can create it. For example, you can create a different header for time, Monday to Sunday, after that time range here of the weekly days, and then even set it up. Once it is done, what we can do is we can format it, which is very important for a template. So we can bold the header row. We can just go and select the header like this and look out for this bold option in the top and select it, and even center align it if we want to center align the text like this, and it will align the text. If you want to add borders, what we can do is we can directly look out for the border section here and add a borders as well. For that, go to format option in the top and select the option for borders here. Find borders and select borders and format that as well. And if you want to go ahead and freeze the number one row, what you can do is you can select the number one row, right click on it, select the option for view more actions, and select the option for freeze row, and adjust the column width for clean look. You can just go and do so. If you want to add color grading, we can use conditional formatting for that. So for that, we can just go and select the data, look out for format option in the top, and select the option for conditional formatting here, and click on it, and it will give you this menu pop up here. Now what we can do is we can make the schedule visual very clean. You can use different formulas here. We can format cells. Click on format cells, and we have these options available here. For empty, not empty, greater than, equal to, custom formula also is available. You can use formula, and we can use this formatting style for that. We can customize it, for example, blue color or any other color, and you can set it up. We can select the bold italic option here and set it up as well, and make the schedule visual very clean. You can follow that process. If you want to make it reusable, what we can do is we can click on the file option in the top and select the option of make a copy, this one right here, and rename it as a weekly schedule template, something like weekly schedule template. And we can just go and make up a copy and use it every week, and even share it with people. You can do so. Once you've done this, you can enter up your daily routine of your, to plan your entire week. You can just go over and make it up, and you can use conditional formatting rules for color scale and single color as well, and apply it up, and that's it. And usually this is a very simple method you can follow for creating out layout. You can just go and follow this method, and the template is now created. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.